begin by outlining the drawing that I had drawn. Feel free to use any kind of marker you see fit, but for the style that I tend to gravitate towards, it's a little bit more cartoony, a little bit more illustrative, so I like to have very bold lines and vibrant colors. Now to start with more color, what I like to do is go within the black outline I had created and start with the color that's going to be the color of the animal. In this case, I want to use orange to make it an orange cat, and I'm going to start outlining inside of the outline that I had created.